Woodworkers, makers, and DIY enthusiasts, 2026 has brought some seriously clever tools to Amazon. Today, we're looking at 10 brand new releases that can make your projects smoother, faster, and more precise. Let's dive right in.
Number 1. REEKON P1L Tagger Construction Label Printer. The REEKON P1L Tagger is a game changer for job site organization. Imagine walking onto a busy construction site where every piece of lumber, pipe, or tool is clearly labeled. No more guessing, no more wasted time. This portable Bluetooth thermal printer connects seamlessly to the Boulder Pro app, letting you create custom labels with a single click. Pre-built templates make setup fast, while automatically generated QR codes link materials directly to digital plans and documents. Built tough for job site use, the P1L features a rugged rubber case, a secure mounting clip, and USB-C charging for all-day reliability. The tear-resistant thermal labels stick firmly through dust, moisture, and temperature changes, yet peel away cleanly when needed. By replacing handwritten notes with precise, durable labels, you reduce human error, cut down on wasted material, and keep projects running smoothly. It's a smart, practical upgrade for anyone serious about efficiency and accuracy. Number 2. Kreg KMA 2400 Rip Cut Circular Saw Guide. The Kreg Rip Cut Guide transforms your everyday circular saw into a precision cutting tool. Instead of struggling to keep cuts straight, this guide locks your saw into a sled that rides along an edge guide, giving you clean, repeatable cuts every time. It works with most standard circular saws, corded or cordless, and is designed for both left and right blade setups. The large handle keeps steady contact with your material, so you can focus on accuracy rather than alignment. While it's not ideal for saws with bulky or plastic blade guards, for most models it's a portable, reliable upgrade. Whether you are breaking down sheet goods, trimming panels, or tackling DIY furniture projects, the Rip Cut saves time and reduces frustration.
Number 3. Festool MB40 Hole Drilling Attachment. The Festool MB40 is designed to make drilling precise, repeatable, and effortless. This mobile attachment ensures perfect right-angle drilling, whether you're in the shop or working on site. With adjustable stops and depth control, you can drill vertical holes, end face holes, or even a series of holes with consistent alignment and depth. That means no more uneven joints or misaligned fasteners, just clean, professional results every time. The MB40 also connects directly to a dust extractor, giving you a clear view of your drilling point while keeping your workspace clean. Compatible with Festool cordless drills, it expands your capabilities across wood, metal, and plastic. Compact, versatile, and built for accuracy, this fast-fix attachment is ideal for anyone who values precision and efficiency.
If you want to take your drilling to the next level, the MB40 is a tool that delivers performance you can trust.
Number 4. WolfCraft T-Square with Parallel Cutter. The WolfCraft T-Square with Parallel Cutter is built to make cutting plasterboard fast, clean, and accurate. Instead of struggling with uneven edges, this tool guides you through a simple 3-step process. Score along the edge, snap the board, and cut through the cardboard layer. The moving T-square includes an angle function and a clearly marked scale, so every cut is guided at exactly the right angle. That means you can produce precise edges in series, saving time and reducing the amount of filling and sanding later. The parallel and strip cutter uses a high-performance trapezium blade, locking securely into the carriage for guided cuts across the entire board. Extend the blade, guide it smoothly, break the board, and finish with a clean cut.
It's efficient, reliable, and designed for professionals who want consistent results without wasted effort. A smart upgrade for drywall and plasterboard work.
Number 5. Milescraft 1232 Corner Cut.
The Milescraft 1232 Corner Cut is a versatile jig that makes shaping corners simple and precise. Designed for use with any handheld router or router table, it includes 4 flip templates that give you 8 different patterns to choose from. You can route corner radiuses in sizes from 1/4 inch up to 2 inches, or create clean 45-degree chamfers in 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and 2 inch profiles. A dual-bearing flush trim router bit is included, giving you smooth, accurate cuts every time. Adjustable edge guides let you work with boards of different widths, while rubber pads grip the workpiece securely to prevent slipping. For added control, especially on a router table, the jig features a large removable handle that keeps your movements steady.
Number 6. Worx WX642.1 Orbital Sander. The Worx WX642.1 Orbital Sander is built for power, comfort, and clean results. With a 270-watt motor, it delivers strong sanding performance, removing material quickly while maintaining control. The large vibration circuit and electronic speed control ensure consistent grinding power, while the robust aluminum sanding plate adds durability for long service life. Dust is no longer a problem thanks to cyclone technology, no collection bag required. The integrated dust container empties with a single push of a button, keeping your workspace clear and your view unobstructed. Ergonomics matter too. The compact shape and soft grip handle make it comfortable to use, even during longer sessions. The sander comes with 9 sheets of sandpaper, and you can attach them easily using either Velcro or a quick-release clamp.
When the job is done, store everything safely in the included case. It's a reliable, efficient tool for professional finishing work. Number 7. Cutting tool with Jig Saw for wood. This cutting tool with Jig Saw functionality is designed to save time and deliver reliable results. Thanks to its T-shank adjustment mechanism, changing blades is quick and tool-free, so you can move from one task to the next without slowing down. It adapts to most Jig Saw models, making it a flexible choice for workshops and home projects. Reinforced stability ensures consistent performance on thick wood, while the anti-flex construction keeps cuts precise, even on hardwoods. The high-strength carbon steel blade maintains sharpness through repeated use, giving you clean, accurate cuts for detailed woodworking or repair work. Ergonomic design and a comfortable handle make it easy to guide, whether you're shaping intricate patterns or building sturdy structures. Versatile enough for construction, metalwork, or creative craft projects, this Jig Saw tool combines durability, precision, and ease of use, making it a dependable partner in any workshop.
Number 8. Makita Autofeed Screwdriver. The Makita Autofeed Screwdriver is built for speed, efficiency, and non-stop performance. Powered by Makita's 18-volt LXT system, this brushless, cordless tool drives up to 2,600 screws on a single 5.0 amp-hour battery. With a blazing 0 to 4,500 revolutions per minute, it handles drywall, decking, and framing applications with ease. Push drive technology makes it smarter too. The motor only engages when the fastener makes contact, reducing noise and extending runtime. A lock-on button allows continuous use, perfect for large projects where consistency matters. The Autofeed housing features a one-touch hook, making attachment and removal effortless.
Inside, the electronically controlled brushless motor adjusts torque and speed to match the demands of each application, ensuring maximum efficiency. Whether you're building walls, laying floors, or tackling heavy framing, this screwdriver delivers professional-grade results with less effort. Number 9. Milescraft 8416 Frame Crafter. The Milescraft 8416 Frame Crafter is designed to make framing faster, easier, and more accurate. Built from durable aluminum, this jig creates perfectly spaced 16-inch on-center stud layouts in seconds. Instead of measuring and marking each stud, simply set the frame crafter in place and let it guide your layout. That means you can cut framing time in half while eliminating mistakes. For wall starts, the jig quickly adjusts to 15 and 1/4 inch spacing, giving you flexibility right from the first stud.
Comfort grip rubber handles make it easy to hold and maneuver, even during long projects. Sized perfectly for standard 2x-dimensional lumber, it's ideal for framing walls, decks, ceilings, floors, joists, and rafters. Whether you're a professional builder or tackling a DIY project, the Frame Crafter ensures consistent spacing and clean results every time. It's a smart tool that turns precision framing into a simple, repeatable process.
Number 10. Stabila 81S 10mH Magnetic Level. The Stabila 81S 10mH magnetic level is built for professionals who demand accuracy and reliability. Designed with scaffolders and steel erectors in mind, it delivers precise measurements you can trust. In the normal position, it is accurate to 0.5 millimeters per meter, and in the overhead position, it maintains accuracy to 0.75 millimeters per meter. Strong magnets embedded in the measuring surface hold the levels securely to steel structures, freeing your hands and making alignment work easier. Compact and durable, it's tough enough to handle daily use on demanding job sites. The included belt pouch keeps it close at hand, ready whenever you need it. Whether you're setting scaffolding, aligning beams, or checking verticals, this magnetic level ensures consistent results with minimal effort.